How to connect the Smart Bird Feeder with HiBird's app. Press and hold the power button on the device for 3 seconds until the indicator light starts blinking. Indicator light status display. Slow flashing red light. Please connect to the network. Alternating red and blue lights. Scanning is successful and it is being distributed in the network. Blue light always on. Wi-Fi is connected. Connect by scanning the QR code. Open the HiBird's app. Click the add sign to add a device. Make sure your phone is connected to 2.4 GHz network and enter Wi-Fi information. Aim the QR code on your phone at the camera and scan it. Wait for the device to connect successfully.